everyone, in this video I'll discuss about Lewis dot structure of saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, let's see hydrocarbon. How many types? There are two types. One is saturated hydrocarbon and another one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. So hydrocarbons, there are two types. One is saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon means, what is saturated hydrocarbon? So saturated hydrocarbon, those are having carbon-carbon single bond. So carbon-carbon single bond, this one is saturated hydrocarbon. So carbon-carbon single bond, suppose this one. Carbon-carbon single bond, this one is called ethane. Okay, or this one carbon hydrogen single bond, this one is saturated carbon hydrogen, like this. This one is methane single bond, so saturated. Unsaturated, so this one carbon carbon double bond or carbon carbon triple bond. So these are called unsaturated hydrocarbon. So the example of unsaturated hydrocarbon, then carbon carbon, this one is called ethene, and this one is called acetylene. Okay, ethene and acetylene, or this one is called, this is another name of ethene, this one is ethylene. Okay, so saturated hydrocarbon, this one example, and unsaturated hydrocarbon, this one is example ethene and acetylene, and this one saturated ethane and methane. Okay, now Lewis dot structure. Okay, Lewis dot structure of ethane. So Lewis dot structure of ethane, Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure, of ethane. So first of all, I have to know this one ethane structure. This one structural formula I have to know first. Like this: hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. Because this carbon balance is what? Carbon balance is 4. So 4 bond needed. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know each bond can carry how many electrons? 2 electrons. So first of all, see how many electrons are present in this compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 electrons, bonding electrons. How many electrons are present in this compound? 14. Now you can represent electron dot structure. So first of all, see carbon, here also carbon, hydrogen is there. You can write here hydrogen. Here top side also write one hydrogen, down side also one hydrogen, right? And here this side also one hydrogen, this side also one hydrogen, and this side also hydrogen. Okay. So you know this one is balance of carbon 4. That means outermost shell. In outermost shell, how many electrons are present? There are 4 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This one also carbon, same thing. 2, 3, 4. And hydrogen. In outermost shell, in a hydrogen, actually atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So outermost shell, how many electrons are present? Only 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this. 1. And also 1. So this one is okay. This one is electron dot structure, like this. See, understood? So this one is electron dot structure. So this one is representation of electron dot structure of ethane. Now, what about in this compound? you have to see how many sigma bonds are present here in this compound. How many sigma bonds? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 sigma bonds or 7 covalent, sorry, 7 covalent bonds. So how many covalent bonds are present in this compound? There are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 covalent bonds. Okay. So this is ethane. Now this one is saturated hydrocarbon. Now one more example of unsaturated hydrocarbon. See, C2H2. This one is called acetylene. Now what is the structural formula? C triple bond C H and also H. This one is structural formula of ethyl or acetylene. In this compound, how many sigma bonds are present? How many sigma bonds? Single bond. This one is sigma bonds. Always sigma bonds. So 1, 2, yeah, 3. So 3 sigma bonds. Okay, and 2 pi bonds. So you know carbon-carbon triple bond. In carbon-carbon triple bond, how many pi bonds? There are 2 pi bonds and 1 sigma bonds. 2 pi bonds, 1 sigma bonds. Okay. Now, how to represent that? How to represent by Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure? Carbon, here also carbon, hydrogen here, one more hydrogen this side. How many bonds this side? So single bond can carry how many electrons? 2 electrons. So have single bond. So write 1, 2. Here another single bond. 1, 2. Another single bond. 1, 2. Okay. Here single bond. 1, 2. Here single bond. 1, 2. Okay, like this. You can represent it like this also. Dot, or you can write here cross also, no problem. If cross write, no problem. Okay, this one is representation of this one is acetylene. Okay, so like this. Another example, say suppose ethene, C double bond C, single bond like this, single bond hydrogen, single bond. This one is called ethene or ethylene, In this compound, how many sigma bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sigma bonds. 5 sigma bonds. Now how many pi bonds? Only 1 pi bond. Only 1 pi bonds. Okay. Now how to represent by Lewis dot structure? See this one. Carbon, right here carbon. Hydrogen, this side 1 hydrogen, top side, and down side 1 hydrogen, and this side 1 hydrogen. After that, double bond. So each bond can carry 2 electrons. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Like this also you can represent. Okay. So this one is Lewis dot structure of ethene. Okay. Like this. And another one, how many bonding electrons? How to find out how many bonding electrons? See how many bonds. Total number of bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 bonds. How many bonding electrons? So each bond can carry 2 electrons. Each bond can carry 2 electrons. So how many bonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 2 equal to 12 electrons. So how many electrons? 12 electrons. Then 12 valence electron. 12 valence electron. Okay. Valence electron. 12 valence electrons. Like this have to represent. Okay. Thank you. Next video I will discuss about that one. Next part. Okay. Organic compounds.